Hello, my dear students. Good morning, everyone. I welcome all of you at our Shivai Academy. Today, we are going to discuss the PYQs of vectors from 2023. PYQs are much easier, and in fact, the chapter vector itself is very much easy. So, let us see. And this is the first portion in which we are going to discuss MCQs. In the later part of this video we will discuss numericals. Okay, so MCQs, this is the first question. The question is from 8th April, first shift 2023. The question is two forces having magnitude A and A by 2. Let me change the color first of all. Yes, so two forces having magnitude A and A by 2 are perpendicular to each other. The magnitude of the resultant is, okay, what will be the magnitude of resultant? They have asked for the magnitude of resultant one. Okay, no problem. Let us see. Magnitude of first one is A and another one is A by 2. This is the first vector, and these two vectors are perpendicular to each other. And this is our another vector. And this will be the resultant. This will be the resultant one. And they have asked for the magnitude of this one. Okay, let us see. This is A by 2, this is A, this is 90, and as we all know, this is hypotenuse. Okay, so how can we get the hypotenuse? As we all know, let me name this P, Q, R. As we all know, the Pythagoras theorem, P R square plus P Q square will give us Q R square. PR is A by 2 square plus PQ is A square. Root of this whole will give us QR. Okay, so QR equals to under root A square plus A square by 4 plus A square is equals to under root A square 1 by 4 plus 1 root of A square root of 1 by 4 plus 1 we will have is equals to A under root 5 by 4, and root of 5 by 4 will be root 5 A by 2. This will be our answer. So our answer is root 5A by 2. So which option is correct? Root 5A by 2. Option D is correct. Okay, this was the very much easier question. Let us see the next question. Next question is, here we have, when two vectors A is subtracted, we have vector A and vector A is subtracted from vector B. Okay, so what they have said to do, is vector B minus A. Do this. Here the A is subtracted from B. Then it gives a vector equals to j cap. So the answer is equals to 2 j cap. They have said this. Then the magnitude of vector B will be A is 232. Okay. Vector B minus vector A is equals to 2 j cap. Vector A is 232, 2 I cap, 3 j cap, 2 k cap. Okay. From here we can write vector B equals to vector A plus 2 j cap. Vector A is this. Let us put the value of A, that is 2 I cap plus 3 j cap plus 2 k cap plus 2 j cap. So our final answer is 2 I cap plus 5 j cap plus 2 k cap. And they have asked for not vector B, they have asked for the magnitude of vector B. Magnitude of vector B. They have asked for magnitude. So from here we can write the magnitude. Mod of vector B is equals to under root 2 square plus 5 square plus 2 square. We are getting under root 4 plus 25 plus 4. So our ultimately our answer is 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 25, that is under root 33. Magnitude of vector B is under root 33. And as we can see, we have not any option available which is having under root 33. So this question was bonus at that time. This question was bonus, and this question was asked in April 2nd shift, 11th April 2nd shift 2023. Okay, then the next question is we have a vector in xy plane makes an angle 30 degree with y-axis. First of all, let us draw the axis. We have x and y axis. Okay, so we have axis like this, and we have a vector in this xy plane which makes 30 degree with y-axis. Okay, so in this question this is y-axis, this is x-axis. They have said something like this. Okay, we have a vector like this. This vector makes 30 degree with y-axis. Name of this vector, let's say that is A. Okay, they have said that the y component of vector is 2 root 3. Y component of vector is 2 root 3. Magnitude of x component of the vector will be, what will be the x component? See, this component will be a cos 30 and this component will be a sin 30. So vector A is ultimately ax I cap plus ay j cap, where the ax is a sin 30 I cap and ay is a cos 30 j cap. What they have said? They have said that the y component is 2 root 3, means a cos 30 is 2 root 3, and they have said what is y component. What is y component means what is a sin 30. They haven't asked for a, they have asked for a sin 30. Okay, so what I want is a sin 30, but I know a cos 30. So a cos 30 into sin 30 by cos 30 is equals to ax is equals to a cos 30. A cos 30 is 2 root 3. A cos 30 is 2 root 3. Sin 30 by cos 30 is tan 30 and tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. So root 3 and root 3 is gone. So our answer is 2. Ay is 2. Ay is 2. So our answer is 2. Not ay. My mistake. The ax is 2. Ay is 2 root 3. Ax is 2. So our answer is x component and answer is 2. This question was asked on 15th April, first shift on 2023. This is next question. Question number 4. Perpendicular vectors. We have two vectors which are perpendicular to each other. P and Q are perpendicular to each other. Then the value of M will be. Okay. We have two vectors. Vector P, vector Q. Vector P is something like I cap plus 2m j cap plus m k cap, and vector Q is 4i cap minus 2j cap plus m k cap. Perpendicular to each other means what we can do is we can write the question like, we can write this as vector P dot vector Q equals to PQ cos theta equals to PQ cos 90 equals to 0. Dot product of these two vector will comes out as 0. So I cap plus 2m j cap plus m k cap into 4 I cap minus 2 j cap plus m k cap equals to 0. Okay. So we have 1 into 4, 2m into minus 2, minus 4m, m into m plus m square equals to 0. If you see carefully, this is m minus 2 whole square equals to 0, implies m equals to 2. So our answer is Okay, so our answer is 2. The value of m will be 2. Value of m will be 2. Okay, now the MCQs are over in year 2023. Now it's a time for the numericals in year 2023. Okay, let us see. Here we have vectors, two vectors, and these vectors are perpendicular to each other. When 3a plus 2b is 7, then find the ratio of a and b. Okay, we have two vectors similar to previous question, ai cap plus bj cap plus k cap, and another is 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap. These two vectors are perpendicular to each other, means again we will do the same thing, a comma b comma 1 into 2 comma minus 3 comma 4, dot product of these two will come out as 0. Okay, so we have 2a minus 3b plus 4 equals to 0. Multiplication of x with x, y with y, and z with z. So we have equation 2a minus 3b equals to minus 4. 2a minus 3b equals to minus 4. First question is this. 2a minus 3b minus 4, and another equation is 3a plus 2b equals to 7. Another equation is 3a plus 2b equals to 7. Okay, now let us multiply this equation with 2 and this equation with 3. So we will have the first equation, I am writing this one, multiplying with 2, 4a minus 6b equals to minus 8. Now writing this one, 9a plus 6b equals to 21. Cancelling out the b's, 9 and 4, 13a, 21 minus 8 is 13, so a is 1. Substituting the value a as 1, then we will get 3 into 1 plus 2 into b equals to 7. So 2b equals to 7 minus 3, which is 4. So 2b equals to 4 and b equals to 2. They have asked for the ratio of a and b. Ratio of a and b is x by 2. Okay, so this is the last part. What they have asked for? They have asked for the ratio of a and b. A by b is x by 2. A is 1, b is 2, is equals to x by 2, which means x is 1. This was the numerical question, x is 1. Okay, then this question was asked on 24th January, first shift 2023. Okay, the next question is, we have two vectors again, p vector, q vector, and we have to find out the unit vector in the direction of p cross q. Find out the unit vector in the direction of p cross q. Let us first of all find out p cross q. Let us do p cross q first of all. Then we will find the unit vector. P cross q equals to I cap, j cap, k cap 3 root 3 2 4 root 3 and 2.5 is 5 by 2. Okay, is equals to I cap covering this line and this line. We will get the multiplication of this 2 and this 2, as you all know. So we will get 5 by 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 minus j cap covering the horizontal and vertical line. 5 3s are 15 by 2 minus 8 plus k cap. We have covering these two lines 3 root 3 minus 4 root 3. Okay, the question is very much easier, not to worry. It only seems like difficult, not a difficult one. So 2.5 root 3 minus 2 root 3, so our I cap is 0.5 root 3 I cap. J cap 8 2s are 16, 16 minus 15 is minus 1 and outside we have minus, so this is plus 0.5 j cap because denominator had 2. 3 root 3 minus 4 root 3 is minus root 3 k cap. Okay, writing out this is as root 3 by 2 I cap plus 1 by 2 j cap minus root 3 k cap. Writing it more clearly, we have 1 by 2 root 3 I cap plus 1 by 2 means 1 j cap by 2 is taken out minus 2 root 3 k cap. Okay, now I have to find out the unit vector. So to find out the unit vector, what is the formula for unit vector? For unit vector we can write n cap equals to vector p cross vector q divided with magnitude of vector p cross q. Okay, so I have vector p cross q, this is vector p cross q, but one more thing I need is magnitude of vector p cross q. This thing is also needed. So using this one, under the root 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 3. 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is 4 by 4. 4 by 4 plus 4 by 4 is 1. 1 plus 3 under root 4 by 4 plus 3. 4 by 4 is 1 plus 3 under root 4, this is 2, its magnitude is 2. Okay, so putting this value over here, I have 1 by 2 into the bracket root 3 I cap plus j cap minus 2 root 3 k cap. This is vector divided with its value is 2, so this 2 comes down and we have finally 1 by 4 into bracket in which under root 3 I cap plus j cap minus 2 root 3 k cap. This is the unit vector. Okay, now we have to compare this with standard equation which they have given. they have given, compare this with this, 1 by x root 3 I cap plus j cap minus 2 root 3 j cap. As you can see, this 1 by x, this 1 by x is comparable with our with our 1 by 4. So we have answer x equals to 4. This question is asked in value of x is 4. Here we have answer 4. Here we have answer 4. This question was asked on 25th January, first shift 2023. Okay, and here we had answer 1. Okay, so this much questions are enough for today, and we have completed the year 2023 vector PYQs. All the numericals are done and all the MCQs are done. I hope you got the idea. Thank you. Thanks for watching.